Here is a Century Communities Plan Lexington 2-story home here at 338 Century Farm Drive in Barrett Crossing. Let's go inside and take a look. Big covered porch. All right, so when you come on in, the stairs are here and you can put a table right here. There's a coat closet. Powder room for your guests. Right across. 2-car garage, tankless water heater, sprinkler system. You can see it right over there. And a garage door opener. This kitchen island is really big. Stainless steel appliances come with the house. Pantry. Washing machine and dryer included. That's a USB-C. Here's the backyard. And a 10 by 10 slab. The alarm panel will go here. A digital thermostat. Utility closet. Master bedroom. Dual sink. Stand-up shower. Toilet has a door. Here's the master closet. Here's the linen closet. Okay, so we got a bathroom. Bedroom 2. Linen closet. Second thermostat. So it's zoned. Bedroom 3. Bedroom 4. And there you have it. A Century Communities Plan, Lexington. Right here at Barrett Crossing. If you got any questions about it, let me know.